Right. Hello guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're gonna talk about Bitcoin. We're gonna take a look at Polkadot. We're gonna talk about XLM, XRP, and basically, we're also gonna talk about ADA. ADA is pumping massively to the upside. We talked about ADA recently, and we talked about the parabolic move we're gonna be anticipating over the next like a few months and all that good stuff, right? So we're gonna start off with BTC on on a 2-day basis and all that good stuff, and what type of price action bulls gonna be creating going into the summer. Are we gonna be pumping above 60k, and basically try to test 100k and all that good stuff, guys? Market is extremely bullish, even though we're seeing like some lower lows and all that good stuff, right? Lower highs and all that good stuff, guys. The market, it is still extremely bullish on the macro scale, right? And we're gonna discuss all of that good stuff, guys. As we told you guys, we said it since like when, guys? October. Okay, since October we said we're extremely bullish. Okay, however, we're gonna see some downtrend down the road, right? But it is not going to be potentially the end of the bull market. Okay, so market basically has to move sideways sometime, okay, before we get the next pump. So if you're new to crypto, you're not going to understand what's going on. Bitcoin drops 10%, 15%, you're going to be panicking. But it is always in a bull market, whenever BTC drops more than 10%, bulls most likely going to be buying the dips and all that good stuff. So something to just remember, guys. Bull market, okay, doesn't come every year. It's going to take another 3 to 4 years, guys, by 2025 before we see this type of move. So we gotta basically take advantage of the current market status, right, and basically take it to the upside. Otherwise, we're gonna be waiting like for another 4 years, guys, 4 years before we see another bull market like this, right? So now if you're new to our content, you know exactly what to do, guys. Make sure to hit the likes, make sure to join my public Telegram group, link in the description, and you're gonna get all the good stuff. Okay, you're gonna get all the good stuff from Sun Crypto. So we're gonna talk about ADA also, guys. As we told you, since the ADA was like 400 sats, if you've been following Sun Crypto long enough, you should be buying ADA at 400 sats. Okay, and now we're talking about like 10,000 sats and all that good stuff, guys. 10,000 sats, man. Just like XRP, we're gonna talk about XRP potentially could be pumping all the way up, guys, to 20,000 sats, guys. 20,000. Okay, right now XRP it is just about what, 3,000. Okay, we're about to hit our 3,500 targets, so very soon, right, in our premium. So we definitely could be pumping much higher over the next like a few weeks and so on, right? So keep an eye on XRP, macro scale, and all that good stuff, right? So right here. So now let's go ahead and start off with BTC, right? Before we talk about XRP 3,500 sats. So now we're gonna go ahead and talk about BTC on a two-day basis, right? And what we said regarding our 2-day basis. So what we said regarding BTC is like our range of 50,000 down to 48.2, right? Going to be a massive support. Okay, I don't care about the wicks. I don't care about like anything below like below this trend line. It could just be some wicks. Can we drop lower? Yes, but the massive support range, it is going to be at 48.2. And as you can see, like it's been like what, guys, over like 5 days. Okay, we cannot close below what, below 48.2. So if you're basically looking for the absolute bottom, okay, let's say some of these bulls, right, they're going to be looking for the last price to buy. It's going to be very stressful because you're going to be watching the 1 minute chart, the 1 second chart, the 2 second chart, and all that good stuff just to try to catch the bottom. Okay, remember, guys, it is very important. Our next macro target is 100k. Okay, does it really matter if you buy BTC at 48 or you buy BTC at 47, or even like you buy BTC at 44, or you buy BTC at 48. It doesn't really matter down the road. Okay, if you're looking to sell your BTC at 100k, 150k, 200, 200k and all, 200k and all that good stuff, guys, 47 and 48 going to be very tiny, okay, compared to compared to like a 350k. Okay, a good example, okay, before we move on, before we get deep into the analysis, is right here. Okay, when BTC was at 28, okay, right there, what happened back then? Bulls been waiting for what? 24. Okay, they've been waiting for 24. Remember guys, right here, when BTC was at 16k, okay, bulls been waiting for what? Just about like a 15, okay, 14k and so on. Sucker pumped right back up and basically pumped all the way up to 60k. Okay, so that's why I'm not trying to be greedy and looking for like 42, 40, even 43, guys. I mean, I think like it is okay to buy at 48, right? If you're leveraging, it is a different story. Okay, but you take a look at the range right here. We broke below our 21 EMA, dumped down to our daily 100 EMA right here. Remember guys, we said we're most likely going to retest our 100 EMA on the daily, but we broke it. It doesn't look good. Okay, it doesn't look good as of now, but okay, if you take a look at it on a 3-day basis, right, we're not closing below our support line right here, just about like a 46. If you take a look at it, right, based on closing basis, we did not close below it yet. That's our February lows candle right there. That's our last green candle, right, back in February. So we just retested it based on closing basis and not closing below it. So it is very, very important. Even though basically we dump all the way down to 46, created some low lows, right, market is still pretty strong based on closing basis. Okay, so now let's go back to our 2-day time frame. Okay, our 2-day time frame, we know guys, we're not looking so great. Okay, we said it right here. Okay, we said it right there, right, back in April 15th, right? What we said before the dump: be cautious, I'm bullish, right, but I'm not taking a long position on BTC till we basically flip bullish. Okay, right there. It is pretty easy guys, very easy strategy. Let's say you're new to crypto, okay, you don't know when to buy, you don't know when to sell. Our 2-day MACD and our 3-day MACD going to be the best indicator throughout the bull market. Okay, whenever our 2-day MACD crosses bullish, guys, it is easy. Okay, we're most likely going to see a big trend. We said it back in what, October 6th. That's why we were so bullish on BTC back in October 6th, 2020, guys. Okay, I was one of the biggest bear, was calling for 6K and all that good stuff. But guys, these suckers, okay, when they flip bullish on the 2-day MACD, don't try to short it. Okay, they're gonna go very, very they're gonna be pumping aggressively to the upside, right? Just like ADA. Just like ADA, guys. ADA and Polkadot, we're going to talk about DOT. We're going to talk about XLM. We're going to talk about XRP. They're about to go ballistic. Okay? They're about to go ballistic. So keep an eye on those 4. Okay? We're going to talk about all that good stuff, right? So now, right here, we're not looking so great on our 2-day MACD. So, if you... if you're bullish, right, you don't want to go all in. Okay, you don't want to go all in. Let's say you're looking for to reaccumulate. Can we dump low? Yes. Okay, we can still dump low, but as I just said, right, the overall chart, it is extremely bullish, right? Even if we dump right here down to like a low 40s, it's not going to stay there too long. Okay, it is not going to stay there too long. You might just wake up and see like a BTC dump and pump right back up. Okay, and pump right back up. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the 3 weeks time frame, right? So we're going to take a look at BTC on a 3 weeks basis. Right here. Okay, so we already talked about the weekly during our last live stream, so I'm just gonna skip the weekly time frame because we already know we at our weekly 21, and you know, we're gonna focus on our 3 weeks time frame right now. The 3 weeks time frame, if you take a look at it right here, okay, one thing I like about the 3 weeks time frame, right, is like price is decreasing, right there, starting from the top, and basically volume is decreasing. Okay, volume is decreasing right there, price is decreasing right here. Okay, the volume is pretty low. We got like roughly, let's say we're gonna close this candle on the 28th, on the 28th, right? And it is right now though, you know, we at the it is right now the 15th, right? And so we got what, give or take 10, 25, 13 days. Okay, we got 2 weeks to go. So we got 2 weeks to go to close the candle. So if we basically manage to flip bullish on this candle, guys, that's going to be incredible within the next like a few weeks. Okay, basically what we need to see is like, okay, a close above you know, 63 before the 28th or at the 28th, right? It is going to be great. Okay, if we do not close above 63, we can still close this candle red. It is still going to be okay, but what we want to see is like, we want to close the candle with a low volume. Okay, with a low volume right here below the moving average right there. Okay, the 21 EMA. That's going to be incredibly bullish. Okay, something to keep in mind if you like to trade the macro scale, right? So now let's take a look at it on the 50-day cycle. The 50-day cycle is saying, hey man, look, if I'm gonna go to the moon, right, we're not gonna close this candle red. That's it, guys. And we're gonna close the candle like on the 31st. Okay, on the 30th, right? Actually on the 30th, and we're gonna get a new candle on the 31st. The 31st is going to be the last day, what, of the month. Okay, so the 28th, 29th, 30, right, and 31st, right, going to be very, very important, guys. How are we gonna close the 3 weeks time frame? How are we gonna close the you know, the monthly time frame? And how are we gonna close what, the 50-day cycle? It is going to be very very important, and you know, could dictate, right, if we're gonna be dropping lower, right, or we're gonna be going to the moon all the way up to some crazy prices. Okay, like, you know, 150, 300k and all that good stuff. Okay, but we're not gonna focus on 150 and 300k. We're just gonna focus on right here. Okay, it is very, very important right now. Okay, so now let's take a look at the monthly time frame, right? So the monthly, guys, nothing crazy, guys. As we said, you take a look at the moving average right here. We've seen it before, guys. Low volume back in like a June. Okay, bang, right there, low volume. Okay, right here back in September, low volume. Okay, below the moving average. So we're not seeing like a big sell volume. Okay, we're not seeing any big sell volume on the monthly. It is just consolidating. Okay, so we got a third selling, you know, a third monthly bearish candle, right? Since when? June 2020. So it's been like almost, guys, what, 12 months. Okay, June 2020. Okay, May, June 2021. Okay, only 3 candles. Okay, 3 bearish candles. Okay, so that's extremely bullish. Okay, so if we go back right here, okay, even the candle we got back in September, we know every September, okay, BTC gonna dump. Okay, 9 out of 10. Okay, September most likely BTC gonna dump 20%, 30%, but we're gonna talk about it down the road. Okay, right here, even the volume we got back in September 2017, right, the volume was above the moving average right there. And guess what happened next? Bang. Okay, up to 20k. Okay, so we're not seeing anything crazy as of now. Okay, it is just consolidating. Okay, just consolidation before the next parabolic move up to 100k. Okay, and I think we could get 100k. In my own opinion, we could get 100k this summer. Okay, we could get 100k this summer if we basically you know, hold support. Okay, do not break below 40k and all that good stuff. we definitely could be pumping all the way up to some crazy prices. So guys, now let me do this, guys. Go ahead, guys, and hit the likes, right? Hit the likes and subscribe. If you're new to Send Crypto, right, make sure to hit the likes, subscribe to the channel so you can get one of the best analysis in crypto, guys. We stay with the trend. We basically do not deviate from the trend. If the trend is bullish, we're bullish. If the trend is bearish, you guys know we're gonna call those doom analysis. Okay, so we're not scared to call for some lower prices, right? We're not bullish all the time. Okay, we're not bearish all the time at the same time, right? So something to basically keep in mind. Hey guys, thanks a lot for tuning in. All right. Hey, what's up, KP in the house? Thanks a lot, Miss KP, Miss XRP for tuning in. We got JB in the house. Ruan in the house. Second time, 2 times in the house, right? Second time, 3 times in the house, actually. Moon up the likes, guys. Hit the likes. Make sure to share the content also, guys. Make sure to share the content. You know, I'm giving you one of the best analysis. ADA, guys. YouTube, you know, YouTubers are pumping ADA. But if you've been watching Send Crypto, okay, what we said about ADA, guys. I told you about ADA, guys, long time ago, guys. ADA, okay. So now let's take a look at ADA, okay. ADA BTC. So we're gonna start off with ADA BTC, right? And we said it long time ago, guys. Long time ago, guys. Said, guys, make sure to accumulate ADA, right? At the bottom right here, guys. Told you back in 2019, told you back in 2020, and just repeated it, guys, back in basically late 2020 right here before the parabolic move, okay? ADA, if you can basically catch it anywhere around like 400 sats to 600 sats, it is going to be a steal going into the 2021 bull market. And that's what's happening exactly, guys. We're not waiting for ADA to pump parabolically, right, to say buy ADA. It's kind of like what we said regarding XRP, guys. We said when XRP was 4,000, okay, we're going to talk about XRP later, but it is just going to be a side note, right? When XRP was 4,000, okay, we said, okay, guys, if we break 2,500, okay, we're gonna be some doom boys, right? And we're gonna try to catch it at 500 sats, okay? Anything below 1,000 for XRP going to be a steal. Accumulate 500 sats up to 1,000 sats, okay? That's what we said regarding XRP, and we're gonna take it to the upside, guys. We're gonna take it to the upside, potentially up to basically 20,000 sats. Okay, we're gonna talk about all that good stuff, right? So now let's take a look at ADA. We're just gonna go ahead and review what we said regarding ADA. Right here, what we're saying is, like, you take a look at our MACD. We're not even gonna talk about the RSI, but we're just gonna focus on the MACD, right? Because the MACD is good enough if you're new to crypto, right? And you want to make profits and you don't want to basically get a headache, right? You just stick to your MACD. It's going to take you a long way, okay? So our MACD right here, you can see like bears, right? They're gonna start drawing what divergences and all that good stuff, and they're gonna get wrecked, okay? They're gonna get wrecked, I'm telling you guys. So as you can see right here, right, we clearly, okay, broke the trend line, okay? But bears gonna try to force, right, the you know, they're gonna be like, oh, take a look at right here. Okay, we're making higher, you know, high highs, but we're not creating a, you know, high on our MACD. Okay, they could make that argument. Okay, but in a bull market, you don't want to mess with your 3-day MACD because it is so bullish, right? Why it is so bullish, right? Because if MACD has to basically make a clean high, okay, after price action already made a beautiful high, right? We're most likely going to see some crazy parabolic move from 88 bulls, from the 88 bulls right here. Okay, one of the reasons, guys, we're saying we could potentially, all right, retest right here 8,000 to 9,000. Okay, right here, retest the top. Okay, so 88 on a macro scale, it is looking extremely bullish. Okay, take a look at right here. Okay, we created a high back in June 2020. Okay, right there we created a new high right there, right? And right there we're about to create a new high, guys. Okay, we're about to create a new high. Okay, and we could be in this trend line forever. Okay, we could be in this trend line forever. Now let's take a look at ADA USD. So ADA USD, okay. So you take a look at ADA USD, right? Bull's about to get wrecked also, right? You take a look at ADA USD on a 3-day basis, right? They're gonna draw the bearish divergence right there. Oh, you cannot just draw a bearish, divergence after we already brought the all-time high right here. Okay, and the volume, okay, before the breakout, the sell volume right there, guys, right here, okay, was what? Pretty low. Okay, throughout the accumulation right there, take a look at the sell volume, guys, was what? Pretty low. Okay, so it means, guys, it means sucker was extremely bullish. Take a look at our 3-day 21 EMA. Okay, since like when? February 27, right there. Okay, all the way up to what? Nearly 72 days, guys. We did not close at any given time, guys. We did not open and close below our 21 EMA. I was saying it, guys, versus BTC. I was saying if we drop below 2,000 sats, guys, it is going to be a steal. Okay, because we're gonna moon after. Okay, versus the dollar, okay, we did not close right here. I was anticipating, okay, last month, okay, back in April, I was anticipating the breakout from this point. Okay, right there, 140, 130. Okay, but we got the fake out right in our premium. We're not leveraging. Okay, we just reaccumulated at the bottom right there. And you can see, guys, even if you got a nice average at the 3-day 21, just about 113, guys, take a look at it. You're 100% up. You're 100% up in less than what, guys? In less than 3 weeks. Okay, something to basically keep in mind. Your MACD, your 3-day 21, your 2-day 21 going to be your best friend in a crypto bull market. Okay, in a crypto bull market, right? So now let's go ahead and take a look at ADA Ether. So before we talk about ADA Ether, let's take a look at ADA next potential target to the upside, right? If you haven't watched my short-term analysis, right, let's take a look at it right here. So you take a look at ADA Ether, right, on a 3 weeks time frame. You can see, like, you can see we're just gonna repeat what we just said in my short-term video, right here to right there, right, swing high down to swing low, guys. Take a look at it, guys. We almost, okay, almost at 1.618, guys. 250, okay, give or take up to 280 range, depending on volatility. Okay, and the previous move, okay, was it wasn't parabolic, right? So we could even break this range on a 3 weeks basis and go all the way up to 350, which is like 1.786. Okay, something to keep in mind. So ADA extremely bullish on the macro scale, looking so great right now. Man, I just want to FOMO. Okay, I just want to FOMO, set all my XRP into 88, but I'm not. Okay, I'm not. I just have to stay disciplined, right? So don't go ahead and FOMO. Okay, if you did not buy it at the bottom, no need to FOMO. Okay, So now let's go ahead and move on to basically a dot. Okay, before we talk about XRP. So we're going to talk about dot BTC, because dot BTC is looking so juicy, man. Guys, dot BTC is looking so juicy. Take a look at dot BTC, guys. This sucker looks so juicy on the macro scale, man. Take a look at it. Okay, we're gonna start off with the 3 weeks time frame, right? So we're gonna get a clean chart. Okay, so what you see, right, what you're seeing right now with dot BTC, right, is like it hasn't even started going parabolic yet. Okay, what we got right here, we got a parabolic move to the upside, nearly 42 days, right? And we drop all the way down to the bottom again on the 3 weeks time frame, guys. And if you notice well, on the 3 weeks time frame, guys, that's why I'm telling you guys, the higher time frame is always the better time frame to use, okay, when you're trading a bull market. Okay, so we pumped to the upside. Okay, we got our wave 1, okay, wave 2 right here, and we basically pumped to the upside again and consolidated. Take a look at the consolidation. It is very important, okay, how we consolidated. Take a look at the volume, guys. Take a look at the volume compared to the volume we got on the upside. Okay, it means like for 3 weeks right here, okay, dot was just consolidated. Okay, for 3 weeks. Okay, all you needed to do, right, is just buy the dip right here. Just buy the dip. Whenever it dip, okay, you just accumulate it. Okay, because you know no one is selling. Okay, no one is selling their dot. Okay, so now if you let's take a look at it on a 2-day basis right here. If you take a look at it on a 2-day basis, right, right here, guys, just like what, Litecoin before the breakout, guys. I'm telling you guys, your 2-day MACD, your 3-day MACD, your 21 EMA, those 3, right, gonna take you a long way. Okay, so that right here, if you take a look at it, just like what, 88. Okay, we got a nice correction, right, sideways correction, right here, right there, and right here. Okay, what we expecting right now, right, after that, what do you expect? Parabolic move. Okay, we got a small one also right here. We took this one also just about like right here, right, we took it to the upside. Okay, that was like when dot was like, I think like $17, something like that. Okay, so versus BTC right here, it is looking extremely bullish. Okay, beautiful flat correction. If you're a bear, right, you would be looking for what, a W right there, and you're gonna get wrecked. Okay, you're gonna get wrecked because you're gonna call this a W, and sucker basically gonna pump to the upside. You don't want to short, right, a W on a 2-day basis with a bullish MACD. Okay, you don't want to short it, give it time. But one thing is, one thing to keep in mind also, even though it is extremely bullish, right, we could be dumping back down versus BTC just to retest the range right here. So I wouldn't be panicking if we get a pullback. It could be a quick one. Okay, as long as we don't wipe out, right, the anti-gains right here. Okay, drop all the way down to like a 64,000, right, right there, 64,000, right, we okay. Right now we just about like 92,000. Okay, so as long as we can stay above the breakout candle right here, we okay. Okay, and the quicker the better. Okay, if like we can dump right back down and pump right back up, it is going to be the confirmation. But I wouldn't be selling right now. Okay, I wouldn't be selling dots right here. But this range, if we dump back down, it is going to be a good level to reaccumulate. Okay, this sucker, right? Big Daddy in the house, smash the like. Okay, smash the like, guys. We're gonna talk about Ether, guys, but we're gonna have to talk about these coins. Ether already pumped, guys. I told you back in April 17th. Okay, Ether was at like $2,000, something like that. I was like, guys, let's focus on the macro scale. The next macro target for Ether is $4,000. So no need to be panicking. So most people are panicking right now, you know, and within the next like 2 to 3 weeks, most of these suckers gonna be up like 2 to 3x. Okay, if BTC hold support. Okay, so keep that in mind, guys. We extremely bullish when we get into the bear market, guys. You guys will not recognize me because I'm gonna be so bearish, because I know these suckers gonna drop like 99%, most of them. Okay, some of them will drop, like even Ethereum will drop more than 90%. Okay, I'm just gonna tell you as it is. Okay, whether you like it or not, they're gonna drop, guys. I'm telling you. So no need to be worried right now about them dropping. When they're dropping, you will know. Okay, they're not gonna drop like BTC dropping 5%, 88 pumping 30%. That's not a bear market. That's not how bear market starts. Okay, when the bear market starts, right, everything will basically dump at the same time. Okay, regardless. Okay, number 1 down to number 10,000, they're all gonna dump at the same exact time. Okay, so something to remember, guys. Of course, guys, we're gonna get like a couple of coins pumping and all that good stuff, but you get the concept. Okay, for instance, back in April, when market was dumping, Ether did not dump massively. Okay, and I was telling you guys, that's not how we start a bear market. Ether gonna pump to 4K very soon. Okay, so we hit all our target on Ether. Okay, up to basically 4150 from basically 1350 and so on, right? So now let's move on to .USD. So let's take a look at .USD also. Okay, pretty much the same thing as the same thing as .BTC, right? Let's do this. Yeah, it is pretty much the same chart, right? Right now, what you're seeing on USD is like a complete reset, okay, of the chart, right? If you basically remember, guys, when DOT was right here in our premium, we were basically accumulating just about like $4 up to $6. Okay, right here, what we said was like this entire range, right, going to be our accumulation range. Okay, we don't care, right, as long as we buy, just like I'm saying it with what, Tezos. Okay, I've been saying it. I said it multiple times. Okay, I said Tezos, buy at $2 to $3 and close the computer and buy a new computer once we hit $80. That's it. Okay, don't forget your don't forget your your passphrase and all that good stuff, right? Your private key and all that good stuff. But the concept was like, to buy that $3, you're gonna pump it potentially to $80 to $100. Okay, most of you guys don't believe it, but guess what, guys? Qdom, we talked about Qdom when Qdom was $2. Okay, we said Qdom going to hit very soon $15 to $20. We pump all the way up to $35, guys. $35. Okay, so just like XRP 20 cents, we said, guys, we're going to $2. Bang. Okay, so if you're not patient enough, you're not gonna see those gains, right? So you take a look at DOT right here. Beautiful. Okay, accumulation range right here. Okay, guess what, guys? As soon as we flip bullish right there, sideways correction, bang. Okay, bang, bang. Okay, so now what we're seeing right now, after a long consolidation range, we finally flipped back bullish. Okay, so now let's take a look at it on a 3-day basis, right, to get the confirmation. We still, okay, even though it is extremely bullish, right, we just have to wait for the for the next few days, right, to get the confirmation on our 3-day basis. Okay, it is very important. Okay, the 2-day basis is gonna give you maybe like 50 to 70% confirmation, but to get like 90% confirmation, you're gonna need, okay, to wait, right? If you're comfortable, right, wait for the 3-day MACD to flip bullish. Okay, volume right here is saying like we got like a pretty good chance, guys, a very good chance, okay, to continue the breakout. Okay, so but bulls, okay, they have to push through. Okay, they have to push through, right? And we gotta get this sucker to basically flip bullish on our MACD, and bang, okay, bang, we're most likely going to be pumping all the way up to the upside. Okay, and let's take a look at our target. Okay, we already talked about our target right here, just about 65 to 75, give or take. Okay, short term, okay, short term target right there. If you want to be, if you don't want to be a moon boy, right, you could be looking for 1.27 to 1.41. It is going to be just about like 55 to 65. This box right here, 55 to short term, okay, short term right there. Okay, that's going to be our short term, and by the time we get to 55 to 65, we definitely should get our what, our MACD right here, you know, to basically just follow the crowd. Okay, just like 88. Okay, just like 88, we're most likely going to be you know, getting another you know, bullish breakout to the upside. Okay, Lena USD, we're going to take a look at Lena USD, man. What's gonna pump when it dumps? Oh, XRP gonna pump when it dumps. CRV, we're gonna take a look at CRV, Mr. Jade. We're gonna take a look at CRV. So now, guys, we talked about DOT. Now let's take a look at basically XRP, okay? Because I'm extremely bullish on XRP, guys. You know, we talked about XRP. I don't have time right now to go back through what we said, you know, what we're gonna do and all that good stuff, guys. I told you guys, I told you at the very bottom, I'm the bottom man, guys. Crypto bottom man. We buy at the very bottom, guys. Very bottom. You see this setup right here, guys? That was like when? Like June 20, what? June 2020, guys. I was telling you guys, we're gonna dump right there. Okay, you can find the setup in my public group, right? I even forgot we got this setup because I was using like different layout, right? But let's go ahead and take a look at it right here. So XRP BTC, guys, we're gonna start off with what? The monthly time frame. Okay, why the monthly is so important? Remember, guys, what I told you about the monthly back in what, November, December. I told you about the monthly time frame. We capitulated down, and I was saying, guys, that's a good news, guys. Even though we capitulated, it is a good news because we capitulated and we tested what, the bottom, just about like 500 sats. Okay, we said anything below what, 1,000, don't basically wait for like you know, 800, 700 and all that good stuff. Just buy that dip because we're going all the way up, guys, potentially to 20,000, guys. 20,000. Okay, but it's not going to be that quick. Okay, it's not going to be that quick. So now the monthly time frame, right, before we talk about 50 and all that good stuff, take a look at what we got right here. This is so beautiful, man. It makes, oh my gosh, it makes me want to go all in. I'm telling you, even selling selling all my XTZ, right? I'm not even gonna say it because Curwin gonna sell all his XTZ, right? And go in XRP, or basically Jude Moonboy gonna be waiting for 589, right? Guys, the monthly bullish divergence on XRP right now, it is absolutely crazy. Okay, it is crazy, guys. Remember, guys, last time we basically pumped right here back in basically 2016 October, right? Guys, I'm telling you guys, I'm giving you one of the best analysis. Go ahead and watch my XRP, okay, macro analysis since like when, last year, guys, at least since last year. Okay, June, okay, November, December, January, all my macro analysis, guys, been spot on. Okay, I'm not talking about like short-term analysis, 10%, 15%. I don't even give 10% targets, right, in my premium group, right? But we basically do like a 90% of our targets, right, are macro targets. Okay, 5x, 10x, 20x, QDOM, okay, EGLD, Filecoin, EOS. Okay, EOS we've been accumulating like what, around $2 to $3. First target was what, $17 to $15, guys. Bang. Okay, we already hit it. Okay, EGLD, Filecoin, you already know. BNB, $30 to $40. Target was $600, guys, up to $600. Okay, so that's the type of move we get with, you know, Synthetix. Okay, that's the type of move you get, right here, guys. Back in March 2017, right here, okay, we basically pumped to the upside with no bullish divergence. You could basically say, hey, oh, we just, you know, flip bullish and we pumped to the upside. But the difference between 2017 and 2018 is like the move we're getting right now. Okay, it is a bullish divergence. It is a double crossover too. Okay, the more crossover you get, right, the stronger the move most likely going to be. Okay, the stronger the move is most likely going to be. Okay, and right here, guys, another good news regarding what XRP. We close above the monthly 21 EMA, not versus the USD, right, but XRP BTC. It is very important, guys. It is very, very important to pay attention to our monthly 21 EMA. Okay, that's a macro resistance for XRP. You take a look at it right here. Okay, back in November, what we said, we need to close above it, and once we close above it, we need another candle, okay, to open and close above it. Okay, what happened? We got a bad news, sucker dump all the way down to the bottom, guys. So and people have been panicking. What I said, don't panic. We got 2021 and we're gonna go to the moon. Bang. Okay, so now we're about to close above the monthly and we got 2 weeks, and XRP is extremely bullish. Our short-term target is what, guys? 3,500 all the way up to 4K. Okay, if we can hit, basically, if we can close anywhere around basically, guys, above like 2660, we don't even have to hit basically 4,000 before end of the month. We just want to close above 2660, and the rest going to be a story, because we're not going to get any other basically resistance up to, guys, right here, like almost 10,000 sats, guys, right here. That's pretty scary, man. I'm telling you. If you're a bear, if you're a bear man, I don't know, man. I don't know. If you're an XRP bear, I don't know what to tell you. Okay, so keep in mind, our next upside target, if we break 4K, guys, it is going to be 10,000. Okay, and once we break 10,000, guys, we're going to go for the next reaccumulation before the next pump to the upside. Okay, keep in mind on XRP macro scale. Now let's take a look at XRP USDT. Okay, on Poloniex. Guys, hit the likes. Hit the likes, guys. If you're new to Synthetix, hit the likes. Okay, join the public Telegram group. We got the biggest XRP army in Synthetix public Telegram group and Synthetix Premium. So if you like XRP, make sure to join the public Telegram group. Buzz in the house, right? Buzz was panicking when XRP was dumping, but I told you don't panic, Buzz. Told you don't panic, because we don't care about the news. We don't care about the news. We only watch the chart, guys. I can go for a month without even watching the news. All I watch is my chart. That's it. Okay, all I watch is my chart on the macro scale, and I can get the big picture, guys. Okay, with the macro scale. Okay, so go ahead and hit the likes, subscribe, right, and join our public Telegram group, and you definitely gonna take a seat, buckle up, and you know, you got your ticket to the moon, right, before the end of the bull market. Because, guys, once again, if you miss this bull market, I'm telling you, guys, you're gonna have to wait another at least, you know, 36 months, okay, before you're gonna be able to buy this alt, okay, very cheap. You're gonna have to wait 3 more years, guys. I've been saying it, guys. I said it back in 2019, okay, and all that good stuff. The bear market could last another 2 years. Bang, okay. We in 2021, okay. We needed to buy this alt. What? December 23rd. That was the bottom. Bang, December 23rd, 2020. Okay, so you're gonna have to wait till basically December 23rd, right? 2024, okay, to be able to get this alt pretty cheap, right? So versus BTC, of course, right? So now you take a look at XRP USD right here, okay. What we needed to do regarding XRP USD is like our resistance is right here, okay. We said we just needed to close above like 63, right, give or take, right, and bang, okay, especially on a 50-day cycle right there. 50-day cycle closing resistance was what, guys? 46 cents, okay. We said if we close this candle above 43, 46, buy all you can, guys. Even if we dip all the way back down to 20 cents, buy all you can, because our 2 years resistance, okay, we just closed above our 2 years resistance on a 50-day cycle, and we're most likely going to the moon. And our next upside target was what, guys? Right here, guys. We were very precise about our what target. We said we're going to be looking for $2, guys. Guess what? We hit 196, 198, give or take, okay, depending which exchange you're using, okay. We said if we close, guys, clearly guys, if we close above 43 to 46 range, that's it, bull market, okay. Right now you take a look at XRP, and we're projecting right now our next upside target. We don't have any business right here anymore, okay. I don't care. Even if we dump, it is just going to be a bad news type of a sell off, right, and it's going to pick up right back up. We do not have any business, okay, dropping back down here, and I don't think we're going to see these prices at any given time, in my own opinion, right. I don't think XRP is going to drop back down here, okay, at any given time right now, okay, regardless of what type of bad news we're going to get. Sucker going to pump, okay, sucker going to pump. Believe me, guys. I've been telling you, guys. I've been telling you long enough, guys. So now let's take a look at it in terms of swing high to swing low. If we do it from swing low to swing high, swing low to swing high, right, down to swing low, bang, okay, guys. Remember, guys, back in 2019 we were talking about what? We were talking about XRP $15, $30, and all that good stuff, guys. We're in 2021, guys, and we still talking about XRP $16, guys. 0.786, guys, right here, okay. The same exact Fibonacci we're looking for regarding BTC up to 150k. For XRP, guys, we talked about it back in 2019, guys. We said it, guys, we're gonna pump all the way up to $15, guys, okay. But guys, let's just be cautious, okay, because we still need to break right here 260, right, and basically 360 range, and after that we're going to be looking for $5 first, okay. But that's a macro. On a short-term analysis, we got a target up to 450, but the macro target going to be just about like $5, and after that, bang, right here $15. No resistance between $5 to $15, okay. No resistance, guys, no resistance, okay. So keep that in mind. We talked about it regarding BTC when BTC was at 10.5. We say once we close on the 50-day cycle above 10.5, zero resistance, guys, zero. XRP, a close above 250, actually zero resistance all the way up to $15-16, okay. So now let's move on to XLM, okay. But before we move on to XLM, guys, let me know which alt, right, you want me to talk about after we talk about XLM, guys. I'm telling you, guys, I want to give you one of the best analysis in the crypto space today, okay. Something you're going to remember for the for the rest of the bull market and the next bear market and the next bull market, how to trade this alt on the macro scale like no one, okay, like no one, okay. I'm gonna give you one of the best analysis for the next few months, okay? Macro targets. I don't want these suckers to drop 10% and you're gonna come back and tell me, Sun Crypto, you are calling for XRP $16 and $15 and sucker dump. I don't care, okay? I don't care if XRP dumps, okay? 10, 15, 30%, I don't care, okay? Even down to like 70 cents, I don't care. We're gonna hit $10, okay? So Matic, okay, I'm gonna write it down, guys. We're gonna talk about Matic, Ethereum Classic, Jeff Huddle in the house, QE been in our premium group since when, guys? Since like 2019, right? So QE is basically killing it, right? We're gonna talk about Zilliqa, just like Miss KP, right? Kelly. Hey, what's up, Hank? Duster in the house. Buzz in the house. Loopring, LRC. We're gonna talk about LRC. Guys, make sure to let me know right now what do you want me to talk about after I talk about XLM, so we can basically get these analysis in a in a LTC, right? I'm gonna write them down, right? It is Saturday Night Live, guys. Saturday Night Live. BNB is killing it. Yeah, we've been killing it, man. We talked about BNB at $30, guys. I told you BNB December when? December 16, 2020, guys. I told you BNB. Okay, if we break on the macro scale, if we break above $30, just hold it, because we're gonna go all the way up to $800 to $1,000. Okay. Theta. Man, I hate that boy, man. That boy wrecked me last year. Theta. I'm just joking, man, but it did wreck me though. Let's see. Vet. Okay, I'm gonna take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna take 10 of them, right? And if you want me to talk about anything else, you can see here. CRV. Okay, I'm bullish on CRV, guys. I'm very bullish on CRV. DeFi Chain. I never take a look at that circle. Let's see. DeFi Chain. So I think that's enough, right? I mean, ICP, I think it's new, man. Now let's go ahead and take a look at XLM, guys. So guys, let me know, okay? Let me know your favorite alt, right? And I'm gonna basically cover it in my next BTC update, okay? Let me know your favorite alt in the comment section after the end of the video, right? And I'm gonna cover it, and make sure it is a low cap alt, okay? Not like a top 10 and all that good stuff, okay? A low cap alt with good history, at least, okay? 2 years history, okay? And I'm gonna give you a deep analysis, guys, a macro analysis. I'm gonna give you targets and all that good stuff for free, okay? But have to do it after the end of the video, right? Drop a comment section, okay? So now let's go ahead and take a look at XLM. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a short-term price history for XLM. First thing first, okay? So if you're new to crypto, XLM, okay, NEM, ADA, right? They got price structure, similar price structure, okay? So if you see, for instance, like you've been holding on both XLM and ADA, right? And one pumps, okay? At some point, it could be like 3 to 6 months, but XLM will catch up, okay? It will catch up with ADA in terms of like, price action, okay? So right now, XLM is just about what? 1400 sats, guys. What we said before even we talk about the 50-day cycle, what we said regarding XLM, right? Right here, we bought the dip. Just about what? 400 to 500 sats. Remember, XLM pump 100% in one day back in what? January. We killed it in our premium. We killed it. Bang. Okay. Beautiful move. Okay. Parabolic reversal down, retest the bottom, kick out all the stop losses right here. bang, pump to the upside. We said accumulate it, guys. Accumulate XLM, right? The entire move right here, it is just a three-way move. Okay, you could look at it in terms of triangular formation. Right now it looks like a triangle, right, which is pretty valid, but before then it wasn't a triangle. Right here, right there, guys, take a look at this sucker, man. This is so bullish, man. This is so bullish, man. Okay, so beautiful move, a breakout to the upside. I'm not looking for a one-to-one extension and all that good stuff, guys. We're in a bull market. It's not time for a one-to-one extension with this triangular formation right here. Okay, it is not time, right, to be doing this type of move like that and looking for like 1800 and all that good stuff. We're looking for bigger than 1800. In order to get our big targets, let's take a look at our 3 weeks time frame. Okay, our 3 weeks time frame, if you take a look at the structure of our 3 weeks time frame, you can see cleanly, right, beautiful, okay, beautiful low sell volume right here, right there, okay, right there. What we're getting right now is like we're trading above resistance. Okay, our ultimate resistance was like 1000 sats. Now we're above it, right? We most likely, okay, going to be trading now, okay, just about what, 1600 sats up to 1800 sats. Okay, right, that's going to be our next upside target. And if I do it in terms of a Fibonacci, right, swing high, right there, January 2018, 6,800, right, all the way down to what, 330. Told you, man, 300 sats for XLM, it is a steal. Okay, what are we looking for? Right here, 382, going to be just about 2,500, 50% pullback, almost at 3,000. Okay, and we talk about all these targets. Okay, so I think like most likely, okay, we're gonna break a 1600 to 1800 sats over the next few weeks. And if that's the case, guys, next upside target almost 2,600, right? And after that, we're gonna be looking for 3,000 sats. Okay, pretty much a similar price action, just like ADA. Okay, like when ADA was like 800 sats, 900 sats, we took it to what, 3,000, bought back at 2,000, and basically now right now we're taking it to 5,000 and 6,000. Okay, so once we break 3,000, we're basically gonna go back to you know, we're gonna talk about it again, right? Because most likely we're gonna get some rejection right here, right? And before we pump all the way up to 5,000 and so on, right? But we're not gonna focus on 5,000 right now. Our ultimate target is just to hit 3,000. Okay, now let's take a look at XLM USD. So XLM USD right here. So you can see on a 3 weeks basis, right? We did have a beautiful, you know, bull flag. Take a look at how similar these patterns are right there. Okay, low volume right there, low volume right there, low volume, pump, low volume, pump. But guys, we're not even pumping a lot. We're not pumping. If we basically want to do a one-to-one extension of our previous move right here, just our previous move, okay, we're not even at one-to-one extension, gonna be almost at 180. Okay, one-to-one extension of the move we got right here, just about like 12 cents up to basically 50 cents, like 60 cents. Okay, if you want to pump again from 34 cents, right, and replicate what we did right here, guys, we have to pump all the way up to 175. Okay, we have to pump all the way up to 175. Okay, another good news about XLM is like, you take a look at the trend, guys, right here. Take a look at the volume, 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 bang. Okay, take a look at the volume, take a look at the volume, guys, take a look at, it has to shift again, and we're gonna basically what, follow the trend right here, right there, guys. Can you imagine, guys, once we start getting a parabolic move in our volume like that? Okay, it is incredible, guys. It is going to be incredibly bullish. Okay, so volume is not picking up yet. Buy volume, low volume been dropping. It means okay, no one is selling the XLM. So sucker is pretty bullish. Okay, so we're gonna be looking for a potential move. We got a short-term target up to like 125, but a macro target going to be up to basically 175. Okay, in terms of previous extension and all that good stuff. We also could take a look at it in terms of swing low, swing high right here, down to swing low, right? We already hit our 1.618 extension, okay, right there. So it means like we have to break it. 1.78 going to be just about like dollar, right? 1.888 going to be just about like 120, okay. But we most likely going to be breaking all that good stuff, right? And we're going to go parabolic after that. We're going to go parabolic, okay? Yeah, we just need to break this range, 175, right? Down to 145, right? Give or take, okay? If you want to take a look at it in terms of like this extension, right? If you want to extend it to the upside, 1-to-1 of that going to be all the way up to 375 actually, okay? But we're going to get some Fibonacci range we need to break, okay? And I think that's the most accurate way of looking at it, just like the way we did it with what BNB, Tezos, right? We're doing it with Tezos, EOS, right? I think yes, and BTC of course, right? And Ethereum, okay? That's the most accurate way of looking at it right now, okay? So now let's go ahead and take a look at the chat room once again, and I'm going to take a look at Theta, VeChain, Ethereum Classic, Zilliqa, Loopring, CRV, Matic, Litecoin, and DeFi money. DeFi Chain, actually, not DeFi money. Nano. Somebody want to take a look at Nano, guys. We bought Nano, guys, at 4,000, guys, 4,000, and pump it all the way up to 34,000, guys, 34,000 sats. Okay, we're gonna take a look at Nano also. So guys, hit the likes, okay, guys, hit the likes, man. If you hit the likes, I'm gonna give you one of the best analysis, guys. We just don't do price prediction. It is easy, guys, to predict a price in a bull market, okay? A price prediction and a price analysis, okay? I mean, it is not the same thing, okay? It is not the same thing, okay? When you predict, you can just get up, talk to your friends. Oh man, I think BTC gonna hit 100K, okay? That's what you call a price prediction, okay? But when you take a look at the chart, okay, you do a price analysis. You do analysis based on volume, do analysis based on candles, do analysis based on Fibonacci, do analysis based on, you know, the macro view, the EMAs, the MACD, and all that good stuff, okay? That's what you call price analysis, okay? It's different, guys. It is not the same thing. As NASA sign in, right? I smashed the likes. Says Emilio. Thanks a lot, Emilio. You're a moon boy, man. Hit the likes. Guys, I need to drink, man. I need to drink like a Wonder Boy so I can get this going. Wonder Boy is a moon boy. He just flipped the M, and then the M is now a W. So Win, W-I-N. J Mart in the house. Oh, J Mart, thanks a lot for tuning in, man. It's been a while, man. Haven't seen you in the chat room for a while. ET and Electroneum, I know you've been liking Electroneum forever. So ETN Moon Boy. Crypto Moon Boy in the house, talking about 1 inch. It's not 1 inch anymore, man. It's 100 inch. Okay. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do an analysis on 1 inch. If you call it 1 inch, okay, just say 100 inch. Okay, till we hit $100. Pablo Crypto from Argentina, guys. We got Argentina. We got what? We got Australian Moon Boys. We got some Italian Moon Boys. Really in a house. We got some Michigan Moon Boys. Let me know, guys, where you from, guys. We got some Canadian Moon Boys. XTZ. Canada Moon Boy. Jeff from New Zealand, right? Got some New Zealand Moon Boys. Yeah, 100 inch. That's what I said. All right, guys. So now let's get into the analysis. Okay, that was our water break. You know how you play soccer, right? 3 p.m. like 100 degrees outside. When you're tired, you be like, man, water break. That's the same thing. When you do this analysis, these suckers get you tired too. So we gotta take a water break. Man, we got New York, man. We got New York in the house, man. All right, guys. Now let's go ahead and take a look at them. It's gonna be random, guys. It's gonna be random. I'm just gonna look at these suckers based on the way I wrote them. Okay. So the first one going to be what? Let's go ahead and take a look at Nano, okay? Because Nano just pumped, right? So Nano, guys, Nano. So Nano looks pretty Jewish, guys. It's sucker, guys. Right here, you know, that's what I'm telling you, guys. One of the reasons, okay, why we basically minimize our leverage trading is like we're in a bull market. We don't need to do any leverage, okay? Okay, what we did right here, Nano at the bottom, right? We said accumulate Nano 4,000. Okay, it pumped to what? To like a 15,000, 16,000 right there. We said reaccumulate at 8,000. We're gonna pump it way all the way up to 34,000, guys. We hit our target beautifully, guys. From the top, I mean from top to the bottom. Okay, nearly, guys. 10x, nearly, guys. Not quite, but if you bought exactly as we said right here, right? Reaccumulate some Nano, right? It is nearly, you just don't do anything. You just sit tight, relax. From January to May, you 10x your money, right? Just wait, you sell at 34,000. You still got other assets, you can 10x, okay? You still got some other assets, you can 10x. So Nano is looking extremely bullish, right? After the breakout up to basically 34,000. We could consolidate, okay? Once again, this range of 25,000 down to 18,000 going to be our support level right now. We just don't know how long we're gonna stay in this range. And you take a look at the trend on our 3 weeks time frame right there, guys. Okay, right there. What we got? Lower volume, lower prices. Always bullish on the macro scale. Okay, always bullish on the macro scale. So Nano is looking great. Next upside resistance going to be right here on the macro scale, right? Almost 90,000. Almost 90,000 sats. Okay, I'm just gonna have to repeat it, guys. Nano, 90,000 sats. Okay, 90 KS. Okay, not kilogram. Okay, but 1,000 sats. Okay, so it is still a good hold. Support going to be all the way down to like potentially 18,000. If it drops that low, it is going to be a good level to buy. Okay, if we retest our 211 EMA, great also. Okay, on a 3 weeks time frame. Now short-term analysis, guys, I don't want sucker to dump and you be like, oh man, we're not gonna pump again. Just suck it up like you sucked it up right here back in March. Okay, and you're gonna get the gain sometime. But at the same time, guys, something I forget to mention, right? Just be cautious, just in case, right? we have to get our, you know, second leg up. Okay, but we're gonna talk about it. If we break like you know, 15,000, 16,000, we might suffer a lot, but we will take a look at it. Okay, we will take a look at it, because one of the reasons why I'm saying it is like back in 2017, I don't know if you guys been around or you remember, right? Most of these alt, let's go ahead and take a look at XRP. Okay, we're done with Nano. Okay, target is 90,000. Okay, so right here, you take a look at XRP right here. We pump like all the way up to like, you know, 24,000 sats, right? Before June 2017, but we made a beautiful parabolic move back down before the second leg up. Okay, some of these alt will do the same thing from June, okay, to potentially like November. They could be dropping versus BTC. Okay, but we don't know which alt will behave that way. So, but we will monitor these alt, you know, over the next like a few weeks and so on. Okay, for instance, XRP could give us a beautiful move right here, drop right back down and retest it before January. Okay, but we don't know yet. Okay, I don't want to make that call so far, right? Now let's move on to what? Let's move on to CRV. Saturday Night Live, guys. Hit the likes. Join my public Telegram group, guys. I'm telling you guys. I want you to be making the best out of this bull market, guys. Like I told you during the bear market, once we start pumping, guys, there is no stopping. Okay, they're just gonna pump, guys. So CRV still looking pretty bullish. We're still looking for the 10,000 range, right? So looking pretty good. Okay, nothing crazy. I'm not gonna spend too much time on CRV because it is one of my top you know, top crypto in our premium group. Okay, so we've been holding CRV since like January from the bottom, guys, and just have to suck it up. August high is almost at what, guys? 43,000. Okay, 43,000. Right now we at what? Just about 7,000. Okay, so we got plenty room, okay, to basically grow. Okay, so looking great. Okay, looking great to me. Okay, support level right here, this white range. JB, yeah, I'm from the moon, man. I'm telling you, man, I'm from the moon. Which one to buy right now, Litecoin or XLM? Okay, I don't know, man. Just make a decision, man. They're both gonna moon, so no need to be and don't have those short-term view like on Litecoin. Litecoin gonna pump hard, so no need to be a moon boy. Okay, so we talk about CRV. Let's move on to Litecoin, guys, because Litecoin is incredibly bullish right now, and bulls are looking pretty just gonna talk about Litecoin USD, no Litecoin BTC. Okay, so Litecoin USD right here, let's go ahead and take a look at it on my USD. So Litecoin, we've been killing it, guys. We've been killing it from down right here, up right here, down right here, up right here, down right here, up right here. Right. So Litecoin right now, you know, MACD is still positive. Price action just about at mid range. The 310, 325 support, we talked about it when it was like 388. we said it right here. If we drop right here, accumulated at around like $200, and you could take it all the way up to 360. As long as we got the breakout on a 2-day basis, we said time to add up, guys, because sucker basically gonna pump all the way up to nearly $400, right? So right now it is critical, right? But we can still, okay, find support right here. But I would still, okay, leverage, cover yourself, you're still gonna make it. But if you do any high leverage right here, you're gonna get kicked out, because we're still moving in that channel. Okay, so just you know, do a nice swing, you know, buy the bottom, sell the top, buy the bottom, sell the top. Okay, we just don't know how long we're gonna be in this channel. Okay, so still looking pretty good. Upside target 500 to a 550. We just have to get confirmation of a potential support at the 2-day 21. You know, if we do, we're gonna be bouncing back up. If we don't, we're gonna have to retest the mid 250. That's it. Okay, so let's move on to Theta. Theta, man, I told you about Theta wrecking me right here. I think like was right here. So you take a look at Theta right there. The structure we got right here on Theta, that's the type of structure we're creating on, you know, on DOT and all that good stuff, right? Right there, okay. So Theta looking pretty Judish. I don't see anything bearish as of now. Beside the MACD is negative, right? So I would just be cautious. If we drop lower, right, we can still get down to the you know, 2-day 100 EMA right there, okay. But I don't see a crazy bearishness, you know. But if we break the $7-8 range, we're going to be dropping right here. But we got our resistance, potential resistance right there. Okay, all the way up to $15, $16. Okay. But would just wait for the MACD right here to flip bullish, right? Again, okay. So let's move on to VET BTC. So VET BTC, as we said, regarding VET, it is going to be very boring because we got our MACD already negative, right? Big sell volume right here. A lot of sell volume, not big. I would just say a lot of sell volume, not just big. Okay, the difference is like we're selling, but the volume is not low. Okay, we are seeing some selling volume, but the volume is not high. Excuse me. Okay, the volume is low. MACD is negative, so we just have to wait because we can be in this range for a while before the next parabolic move. So just have to be patient. Okay. VET, it is still a hold. Okay. SIA coin. Let's take a look at SIA or SI or whatever you want to call it, right? Or sucker, whatever. So SIA pretty much similar to a VET. Nice low sell volume. We should see a big move very soon. Okay, so we should see a big move right here. Negative volume low, double bottom. We could get this move. Okay, so look for like a 77 next resistance if you want to do a short-term trade. However, you know, if you want to basically suck it up, we got some crazy targets. Okay, right here we set it by 20 to 24, 20 to 25. Okay, sucker dump all the way down to 13. So if you grab some, you're up 6x right now. Okay, but just suck it up, right? Because our October price is 2018 is almost at 118. Okay, almost 118. So we did not quite hit 118, but we hit what, 103, close enough, right? But we will get back there. Okay, and after that we're going to be looking for our July 2018 resistance right there. Okay, July 2018. So if you traded crypto back then, you know, back in basically July 2018, most of these crypto, they got the same pattern right there. Okay, that was you know, most of them got the same pattern before the capitulation back in July down to August. Right, That was pretty nasty. That's the type of move, okay, you're gonna get when the bear market kicks in. So be ready, be mentally ready to see, you know, BTC dropping 2 to 3% every single day. so be ready, man, when the bear market kicks in. So we're done with VET, we're done with CRV, we're done with Theta. So let's go ahead and take a look at Loopring, LRC. Not LTC. Hey guys, make sure to hit the likes, guys. Make sure to hit the likes. If you want us to go to the moon, guys, make sure to hit the likes. Okay? So Loopring, I'm loving it. Loving it. Look at the structure right here, guys. I told you about Loopring. Okay, that's a long time ago, guys. Remember something, guys. This is basically a live stream. Okay, somebody just asked about Loopring, but Loopring, if you remember back then when Loopring was right here back in February, what I told you, we're gonna retest the lows right here. Okay, now we got the sideways correction, we got the parabolic move. We just have to get the retest, and we're gonna go to the moon, guys, right there. Okay, we're gonna go for our September highs. Okay, we're gonna go for our September highs, almost at 2,600. So we got a 100% potential pump regarding Loopring. Okay, so it looks Julish, guys. It looks Julish. So I told you cleanly, guys. I told you back then, Loopring is pumping, but it's gonna drop back down. Okay, it's gonna drop. That time, I just didn't like the V shape right here back then. Okay, that was even back in February, and we dropped all the way down to support. Take a look at the support right here. That's the same exact support we got back in June 2020. Okay, that's almost like 1 year. Okay. 1 year. Okay, we're still trading around the same range. Okay, so look for a move up to basically 3,000 nearly. Okay, we're done with Loopring. Let's take a look at Zilliqa, guys. Zilliqa, Zil. So Zil BTC could be going ballistic, right, if you just be patient. Right. So Zil, I would just be waiting for the January 2019, right? Remember, guys, Zilliqa is not anywhere around like even October. Okay, I mean, I'm not even talking about July 2018, but I'm talking about like not even like October 2018. Okay, not even like January 2019 prices, not even like March 2019 prices. So Zilliqa, it is a strong hold, guys. Okay, a strong hold. As I said, this range right here, okay, right there, it is going to be the level you want to watch. It is at like 600 to 700. Okay, and we talk about it, guys. We talk about when sucker was like 100 sats, right? So let's say next. So let me take a look at the first list, JB, and then we're gonna go through SNX later on. Okay, so Ethereum Classic. Let's take a look at Ether USD. I like the pump we had a couple of days ago. We did drop down to our daily 21 right here. We did drop down to our daily 21. So that's Satoshi again. We did drop down to our daily 21 right there and bounce right back up. People FOMO. Don't FOMO on these bounces, right? You want to buy the bounce. Okay, I'm gonna show you RLC BTC. Okay, you can see RLC BTC. We did get the bounce right there on our 8-hour 21. So we anticipated it in our premium. Remember, RLC, right, guys, we called it beautifully right here. We called it right and anticipated a double move, guys. Right here we said take your profits right there, don't worry about what's going on afterward. It's gonna dump. We bought it back down to like a 12,000 sats, and took it back up to like a 20,000. Okay, that was like nearly a 50% move right there. Okay, right there. Okay, let me show you guys what I'm telling you guys, so you guys know exactly who's the king. Okay, who's the king of this altcoin? The master of this altcoin. The master of this altcoin. The king crypto. Okay, so let's take a look at these suckers right here. Okay. Okay, RLC right there, guys. We set it right here. Okay, I did it on the 12 hours. I knew exactly what was going on, right? Just to anticipate a potential drop down, right, lower, and we're gonna be looking for the reversal, guys. Beautiful. Take a look at it, guys. Beautiful, beautiful move back up. Okay, it was a nice 50% pump. Okay, and we did also, you know, traded it back on the way up and on the way down. So now what we're anticipating on RLC is like a potential sideways correction. Okay, so anticipate still a sideways correction before the next leg up. Okay, for the next leg up. So let's go ahead and take a look at ETC USD, right? As we're doing ETC right here on the daily. You might have FOMO right here, but it's not good at all to FOMO. Okay, so I did not trade this one, but I saw it. Okay, did not trade it. Was focused on the RLC right here. Okay, we got the bounce. Most likely what we're gonna see some sideways correction. Okay, so just be patient with it, and if we wipe out, let's wait till we wipe out our previous 2-day candle gains, and we're gonna see if we're gonna be retesting at some point our 2-day 21. Okay, but the main thing right now is like sideways correction potentially. Okay, volume is low. That's a good news. So sideways correction doesn't mean bearish, as long as, you know, the volume is low. All right, so now let's go ahead and move on to Matic. Now let's go ahead and take a look at DeFi Chain. Guys, if it doesn't have enough history, right, I might not be able to do any analysis on it. Okay, so DeFi Chain looks pretty good. Okay, looks good. Sucker pump from 20 cents right now is $3. November, bang. So it looks pretty good, nothing crazy. Broke out right here, just retesting the top, the bot, I mean, you know, the previous resistance. So give it a few more days. As long as we can stay above this range, the trend it is going to be up. Okay, it is going to be up. We just don't want to cross bearish again right here. Okay, we don't want to cross bearish, but we're looking good. Okay, DeFi money. Let's go ahead and talk about Matic. I don't have anything to say about Matic. Sucker is pretty crazy. Just hold it. We talked about Matic last time. What we said is like, just hold it. No sign of reversal yet. Everything is bullish. Low sell volume right here. Our last sell volume right here was pretty low. Parabolic. You see like the type of move we got on Matic right there. Okay, that's the type of move we could get on what? On 88. Okay, I just showed you like 88. You know, I said exactly, don't try to draw a bearish divergence on your 2-day basis, because it could go parabolic. Okay, so same thing. So Matic is moving parabolically. You can notice well throughout the correction right here, volume was pretty low. So I was telling Giovanni like sucker could pump all the way up to $3, okay, and all that good stuff. But I don't have any crazy upside targets so far. I would just hold it, right, and just suck it up. Just suck it up. We got a bull market support, like, I don't think we're gonna hit 4 cents at any time soon. And we got another support right here, 53, and right there just about like a 93. Okay, but 93 going to be our immediate support. Bull market support going to be right there, just about 53. We don't want to break it. Okay, maybe next bear market we're going to be dropping down here 25 to a 50 cents range. Okay, I think that is it, guys. Talk about Theta, VET, Litecoin, CRV, LRC, Zilliqa, DeFi money printer, DeFi Chain, Ethereum Classic, Matic, Nano, Litecoin, Ethereum, ADA, BTC, XLM, DOT. Okay. Oh, ETN. Let's take a look at ETN. ETN on. So ETN, So we back to support right here. So it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Low sell volume, right? Right here. Price is back to support. Okay. So we're not even yet at our May 2020 highs yet. Okay. We just retested August 2020. That's good. But the ultimate target going to be right here. Okay. And right there, which is like January 2019. Almost at like 2000. Okay. Almost at 2000. Okay. I know it sounds ridiculous right now to call 2000 sats, but that's what I would basically wait for right here. Okay, that's what I would wait for. Just be patient. Right now it's just about what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 32 sats, and we're calling for what, 200 sats, not 2000, right? 200 sats. Okay, 200, excuse me, not 2000, 200. I'm a moon boy, man. Yeah, 200 sats. Now I would just suck it up. Okay, I like the bull flag right there with the low volume. Okay, just like I think KNC was doing the same thing last month. Not KNC, but KCS. Yeah, KCS was doing the same thing last month. Right there. Yeah. Whoop, 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 whoop. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and take a look at XTZ. Hey man, you got enough analysis from me, man, for XTZ, man. All you have to do is just suck it up, man. Just suck it up, man. We're looking good, man. We're looking good, man. I'm holding XTZ. I'm very bullish on XTZ. I'm buying the dips. I'm holding the dips, and I'm doing everything with the dips, man. I'm telling you, just suck it up. Just like I told you with QDOM, guys. QDOM and XTZ, both of them were like $2. Okay, QDOM pumped to $35. It's time to add on to what, XTZ. Okay, looks pretty bullish. Okay, we're going for the moon, guys. We're going to the moon, guys. Right there. I'm not going to do any deep analysis on XTZ. I'm going to give you a short video analysis later on, okay, regarding XTZ. So tune in, hit the likes, okay. At the end of the video, guys, let me know what is your favorite alt, okay, and I'm going to give you a macro analysis on it. All right. Shiba, whatever, you know. Sucker just came out. Just grab some and forget about it. Let's go ahead and take a look at 100-inch. Okay, are you guys waiting for $100 1-inch? Okay, I like 1-inch, guys. I like the chart. As I said, one thing about this setup is like we could be making this move again right there. Okay, it is bullish, right? But we could be still in this channel, right? We could be. I like the low sell volume right here, even though we got a bearish signal right there. We got a bearish signal right there, but we could still flip back up. Okay, we could still flip back up. So I would be looking for, I wouldn't be buying right here again, right? Would just wait till we hit the trend line support to get a better average. So no need to rush. Okay, if it breaks out, it breaks out. Okay, but try to rush and jump back in. It's not gonna be. We started jumping in right here. Okay, anyway, 5.1. Okay, but we pump it all the way up to 7.6. Okay. Hey, what's up, J Boss in the house. XDZ and 100-inch are my horses. Okay, your horses will run. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at SNX. SNX. Whoa, take a look at what I told you about SNX last time, guys. Told you sucker gonna break out. Okay, beautiful. Okay, that's the same setup we got on what? On 88 Ether. Okay, told you 88 Ether. Once we get the big volume, similar volume also. Okay, like a 88 Ether. So I told you expect what? A breakout. We just talked about one alt. I can't remember which one it is, but just talk about. I think it's Coin, right? Say we're gonna get a breakout to 77. Guys, let's go ahead and take a look at the BTC down. Sucker wanna break out. So BTC down, we just got a big sell volume right here, but bulls wanna push through. Okay, but we're gonna have to pay attention to our our horizontal resistance right here, right there. Okay, let's see if we can break it. If we don't break it, right, it is likely, you know, we're going to see. Okay, the sucker want to break it though. Wants to break it because we got another resistance right here, just about like February 28th. If we're gonna retest our February 28th prices, it means like BTC has to retest 43. That's bad, but it's okay. Let's see, we got like 24 hours to close the candle right here. So let's see how we're gonna close this candle. I like the big sell volume right there. So hey, what's up, Phipps? Thanks a lot for tuning in, man. BTC down, it is just a token leverage, right? It is basically the opposite of the BTC up. Okay, if BTC goes up, if BTC goes down, the BTC down gonna be going up, kind of like the ADA up. Let me show you ADA up. So ADA up right here, right? You want to buy ADA up if ADA is going up. I'm not telling you to go buy it, but I'm just telling you how it works, right? For instance, right here, you can see like ADA up is almost at 185. We talked about it when it was at 130, 135 right here. We said sucker gonna be pumping, and we could be pumping to 370. Okay, if ADA keeps pumping. So I think right now it's like 1.6 leverage, right? It means like if ADA goes 1%, this guy is gonna be going up like 1.6%. Okay. So and you can see like right here 130. If you got in, let's say you got in right average price just about like 120. So you're up like 50% on your money, okay? And you're not holding 88, but you're holding the token 88 up. Even though 88 is not up 45%, right? Just by 30%, this guy gonna be up like 45%, right? So beautiful, beautiful move. So for instance, if you bought 88 up, you know, back in December, right here, just about like $3, you could be selling it right now at $200 nearly. But it is very, very aggressive now, okay? Right here, okay? Could be making like 6,000% gain, okay? Okay, but you know, the opposite is also true, okay? If you buy 88 up right now in 88 USD, drop 88 up, gonna be dumping hard, okay? See what I'm saying? So if 88 dumps 10%, this guy gonna dump 15% or even 30%, okay? 20% actually, right? 1.5, 1.6, right? Just in case. But we got a support right here. If we see any dump, we could get this move back down, which is going to be our flat correction on the macro scale, guys. You see, you gotta basically pay attention to the macro, so you won't be panicking. I see the move right here, okay? We can still dump right back down to $40 right here, okay? If we don't, you know, get the parabolic move to continue to the upside, right? So, but we got in early, right? 130. I just have to suck it up, put a stop loss, let the sucker do the work. What's up, Constant? Thanks a lot for tuning in. Local bit buddy in the house. T-Dog in the house. Guys, let's see. We got some Moon Boys in the house right now. Long live. I mean, hey man, it's Saturday Night Live, man. It's my channel, okay? If you enjoy it, watch, okay? It's free. Okay, it's free. Don't you think I'm tired too, man? BTC dump. Okay, that's good, man. If BTC dumps, that's good for XRP. XRP goes up, right? XRP BTC is going up. So it's okay, man. It's okay, man. It's okay. It's not end of the world. A BTC dump is always good for the market, man. We're gonna buy cheap and we're gonna buy this alt. They're gonna pump versus BTC. That's it. We're not doomed, man. Jordan, we're not doomed. Madden 83. Last time I said I sold Link, Sen said that was stupid. I should sell at $100. I didn't say that's stupid, right? You worry about like Link 10%, 5%. I'm not looking for 10%, 5% Link, okay? I'm not looking for anything 10%, even 20%, okay? Okay, unless I'm leveraging. But let's take a look at Link. If you want to sell your Link at what, $45, I'd be $50. I mean, yes, if you short-term trading, that was our target, right? 50 to 55 right here. That's okay, but we've been accumulating Link right here, okay? Right there, okay? Said exactly we're gonna hit $40. We hit $40, we dump back down to 22. We said we're gonna pump back up to 50, okay? But I'm not saying not to sell. All I'm saying is, are you selling for the for these short-term targets? Like, no, okay? You sell to reaccumulate. If that's the case, that's good. Yes, it is good to buy the down token on the bear market, right? Because the down gonna be going up, okay? It's kind of like the ups are going up right now. Bear market, that's the opposite, okay? The down gonna be going up, okay? So you're gonna make money either way, okay? Bear market, bull market, sideways, you're gonna make money. You just have to basically know what you're doing, okay? At least learn how to not get crushed. That's all you have to learn. Okay. learn how not to get crushed. But if you're patient, right, in this market, I'm telling you guys, if you just be patient and not panic, okay, and buy at support, okay, macro support, not like 1 hour support, okay, but macro support like weekly, okay, monthly, 3 weeks, 50 days support, you're always gonna make money. You're never gonna be wrong, okay? You're never gonna be wrong, because you're always gonna be making money. Why are you always gonna be making money? Because most of the time market gonna bounce off, right, from these level of macro supports, okay, weekly, monthly, 50 days, 3 weeks, quarterly. They're gonna basically find support, okay? And what type of moon boy you are, it depends on the, it depends on what type of moon boy you are, right? You basically that's the type of target you could be, that's the type of target you could be looking for. If you're a moon boy, you're going to be looking for 10x, okay? If you're not a moon boy, just be conservative. Look for the next resistance, okay? We're not in a super cycle. Don't fall for those super cycle nonsense, man. I went over BTC at the beginning, right? Just go ahead and watch the first 15 minutes, right? It is very detailed, right? So you can basically benefit from it. But if I give you a BTC analysis right now, it's just gonna be like, it's gonna go up or it could go down. Yeah, it's okay, man. It's okay. Don't panic, guys. Don't panic. It is totally normal. It's 42, 43 right here. It is okay. Okay, if we're gonna retest it, okay? But since we're not getting any close below 46 yet on our 3-day candle gonna close in 9 minutes. Let's see, okay? I know it is not easy to be a bull on a negative downtrend, okay? It is not easy. It's never been easy to be a bull, okay? Even back in what, May, right? June, July last year, right here, guys. Remember when we got the bearish crossover right here? I was bearish, right? I was bearish, guys. I was bearish right here. But I flipped bullish as soon as we cross over right here, October what? Just about October 6th, okay? I flipped bullish, okay? So we just have to wait. We could get the same exact setup. The only difference is like right now I'm bullish, right? And back then when we crossed bearish, I was bearish, okay? But right now I'm anticipating what? I'm anticipating trying to be early this time, not try to we could get this move, okay? Just have to suck it up, man. Just have to suck it up, guys. Ether is 36.50. We got target to down to like a 33.50 for Ether. So to reaccumulate, not like short it. I'm not shorting the market. I don't care how juicy it looks right now. I want to focus on the big direction. Because the thing is, when you like short, right? Let's say I short bits right now. I might not be focusing on the reversal. I'm just gonna be happy I'm making profits. Yes, you're gonna make profits, but you're gonna basically forget about the big picture. And it is a group. So if I start shorting these suckers, right, everybody gonna be starting to panic. You see what I'm saying? So at the same time, I don't want to be shorting these suckers, right? Because people are gonna be panicking also, right? Lady Gaga in the house. Constant just said he hopes everything gonna collapse and he can buy the dips. It's okay, man. You got plenty of time to buy the dips. You will have plenty. You will get 3 years, okay, to buy the dips. No worry. So it kind of looked like a head and shoulder right here, but it kind of looked like a head and shoulder 1-to-1 extension. Not gonna look good at all. almost down to 30,000. But I don't know if we're gonna get it right now. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I don't believe like we're in a super cycle, right? I believe like we're gonna drop again, guys. I'm telling you. Okay. I believe like we're gonna drop again. Some of these alt could see over 90% retracement, but you know a crypto bear market usually lasts like what, 2 to 3 years. So most people right now are not ready for that, but you gotta be mentally ready. If you're making profits right now, make sure to put some on the sideline. You're gonna need it. You're gonna need to buy these alt when they drop like 90 to 99%. Okay, like 100x. They're gonna drop 100x from the top. Okay, some of them, not all of them. Like Ethereum is not gonna drop like 100x from the top. Okay, not even XRP gonna drop 40x from the top, right? But some of the top 50 alt, some of the top 100 alt, they're gonna drop 100x. You know what 100x is, right? Yeah. Not $100 to $10, but $100, right, to $1. Okay. Okay. That's how they're gonna drop. Kind of like Nano. You take a look at Nano. Take a look at Nano USDT, right? Not Nana. Being a moon boy, calling Nano Nana. Okay. So excuse me. So you take a look at Nano. Let's take a look on a macro scale. It's gonna be better, right? So Nano, excuse me, guys. Nano all-time high was like what, 26? Okay. Right here. Right there, 26. Okay. Guess what? What was the bottom? Right here, 26. Okay. $26 down to 26 cents. What is the multiplier? Most people don't think about it that way. Okay. But it is 100x, guys. Right here. Okay. That's 99% down. It's not just Nano, and Nano was like a top 30, top 40 coin at some point, right? Back in 2018, 2020, 2017. Do you see what I'm saying? Okay. Something to keep in mind, guys. Something to keep in mind. Okay. Something to keep in mind. Take some off the table, right? And that way, anything happen, right? You're gonna be okay. And you're gonna buy these suckers 99.00% down. Okay. And you just ride them after that. Okay. But it is not time to talk about 99% down. It is time to go to the moon, right? Took what, 780 days? Took like nearly 1080, guys. 1080. So 1045 to 1090 going to be the next secret. It is going to be not the next secret, but it is going to be the secret for the bear market. Okay. I already talked about Dogecoin in my premium group regarding 1090. 1045, give or take, right? 1045 to 1090 days, right? It is going to be the bear market days. Okay. It is going to be how long the bear market could last. Okay. Over 1,000 days. Okay. And I talked about it back in 2018 also, right? Regarding XRP. Okay, Constant said I got 18K. All right, good. Giovanni Para Info in a house. XRP Moonboy. I mean, yeah, most people, in a bull run, Quiet Cook is saying in a bull run, do all coins pump higher than the previous all-time high bull run? I mean, I would say yes, right? So if you say in USD, yes, most likely, because they're gonna pump versus BTC, and if BTC pumps like 20, 30, 40, 50x above its previous all-time high, most likely these alt are gonna pump above their previous all-time high, right? So let's go back to BTC. So guys, just go ahead and give me a favor, right? Go ahead and do this. Okay, go ahead. If you're bullish, guys, or if you're bearish, right, go ahead and hit the likes. If you're bullish, okay, hit the likes. If you're bearish, okay, hit the likes, and also, you know, hit the notification, okay? Okay, so 50-day cycles getting bearish, guys. This guy, come on. We got 3 weeks, guys. We got 2 weeks actually right now to get the job done. Yeah, we're back to the 7 days 21. The reason why I like the 7 days 21 is like, when you take a look at the weekly, right? Right now we're at the weekly 21, okay? So if we close below it, you're gonna be like, man, it's done. We screwed, okay? But if you switch back to the 7 days cycle right here, you can see like we already hit our weekly 21 and bounce back up right there, okay? And now we just retesting it on a 7-day cycle. The cycle open on the 4th, right on the 14th, right? And it is gonna close 14 plus 7, 21, okay? On the 21st, right? And on the 7-day cycle, our immediate resistance now going to be right here. Remember when we opened the cycle, I was like, I don't think we're gonna hit 63, really. I don't think we're gonna be strong enough, but if we don't, we're just gonna buy right here, okay? Some people are gonna be waiting at 43, but I don't want to play that game. It never worked out, right? Even right here, remember when we were at where, like 30, we dropped down to 28, right? People were waiting for what, 26, 24, 25, okay? So you don't want to play that game, okay? It can drop, but it is not safe to wait for. It is pretty easy, okay? I'm not saying it cannot drop to 43, but I'm saying it doesn't worth it, okay? It doesn't worth it. It never, I mean, it always, last time it did it also right here, okay? Remember right here, I showed you when sucker was right here, and people were like just about like 98, 10K. People were waiting for what? Like, I think like 94, 97, something like that, 100 points, man. Right? And sucker was like at 98. People were waiting for 97, and they ended up buying higher. Okay? So right now it is so volatile. I'm not gonna be trying to be greedy. We don't need to be greedy waiting for like, you know, 4,000 points, okay, 3,000 points. But let's see, if we close below the weekly 21, we're gonna talk about it. Hey, what's up, Andrew? Do I see a bullish BTC price to 350, up to 350? Yes, I mean, yes, absolutely, man. We can, guys. We can. Let's see, but let's see. Okay. So now, you know, CHR. Let's go ahead and take a look at CHR. CHR got, you know, rejection. Got a rejection right here. Yeah, it is still a good hold. Okay, low sell volume, but CHR, you know, in our premium, we started buying right here. That's why I'm telling you guys, we do the macro. We understood exactly what was going on with this parabolic move. We were waiting for the parabolic move to the upside, so we took it from, guys, nearly 70 sats, guys, right here. That's when we got in 70 sats, guys, and we're still above like 666. Even if you've been holding long enough, right, we're still up nearly like 8x, 9x. Okay, it is still a good hold. Okay, still above the weekly 21. Let's go back to XRP. Is looking great. Okay, take a look at XRP on a weekly basis. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. Okay, beautiful. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go back to BTC. Big bounce. Oh, daily candle just opened, guys, right here. No, we're not bound. Oh, I like the double bottom, and I think Zachariah, right, was talking about it. I like the move right here, right? But we need our 6-hour MACD to flip bullish. Okay, so we're still negative. Okay, we're not strong yet for a bounce. Okay, that's what we need right here. We need our MACD. Remember, guys, when BTC was right here, after our MACD flip bullish, right, what we said, we're going to be pumping. Okay, so we're going to need our MACD right here to flip bullish again. So let's just don't get too excited. Okay, don't get too excited. We got our 21 right there. So our next resistance, it is going to be right there, just about 51 again. So that could be a flat, and we can still get the triple bottom on the 6 hour. So we can still pump back up to 51, drop back down to 46, and most people are going to be losing their money because they're going to be jumping in. As soon as we hit like 50K, they're going to be like, oh, we're back above 50K. And we're going to get the triple bottom, right? Kind of like the Wyckoff, right? When we get this move, that move, the Wyckoff, and then we're going to get this, and then we're going to get that, and then we're going to pump. Right? That's possible, okay? So I wouldn't FOMO. Don't FOMO if we break 50K. Don't FOMO, okay? We still got our 6-hour MACD right here, okay? Just in case, right, we get our MACD to give us a double crossover right here. That's going to be positive, okay? That's going to be a good news. So I would say, you know, correction, right? I don't like to give time, but we could be correcting till the weekly candle close, unless we get a good news right now and everything get, you know, bought up very quickly, and then we pump above it, above 60K, stuff like that, right? Let's take a look at our RSI. Yeah, it is a good level to be buying right now. Okay, take a look at our RSI right here. Beautiful divergence right there, right? What happened? We pumped to the upside. Okay, right now we got a beautiful divergence right there. We can definitely get this move at least. Okay, so Yeah, let's see. We got our daily candle open right here, so but we don't have a bullish divergence. Once again, guys, XLM is, let's go back to XLM, guys. XLM is looking good. Okay, nice flat correction, pretty ugly, but it is looking good. We got a nice correction right here, so we can definitely get this move. Okay, I'm bullish, guys. I'm telling you guys, I'm very bullish on BTC. Okay, very bullish on BTC, both short term and macro scale. Okay, I like this guy. I like the 6-hour support. That's Bitcoin Cash. Alta bouncing. The Bitcoin dominance on the 50-day cycle is basically capitulating, right? Beautiful capitulation right here. And if you notice, well, back in April 2018, May 2018, that's the same exact level we were testing. Okay, so a BTC, if like we're gonna get a BTC bounce back up above 50%, I think it is going to be healthy for the market. Okay, that's going to be good for the market, because it means like most of these alt that haven't pumped yet, right, they're going to be pumping later on. Okay, after BTC takes care of business right here, pump back up. So we could be getting a correction right here, throughout the rest of the bull market before the next like a leg up. I'm not saying it's going to go that high, but you get the concept. Okay, we could get anything. We could get a descending triangle, right? We don't know, right? We just don't know right now what we're going to get. Okay, but I think if we get a nice bounce back up, that's going to be pretty healthy. If not, BTC dominance could be dropping all the way down to 30% or even 26%. Okay, yeah, man, it is out season, man. Tezos is not even 100x from the bottom, man. Come on, man. So you take a look at DOT on the 50-day cycle. Okay, it's been up on the 50-day cycle. Okay, since when? July. Okay, right there. It's been almost a year, guys. DOT been still up. Okay, macro scale is very bullish on this alt. That's what you need to be paying attention to, right, during the bear market on the macro scale. Take a look at this sucker, guys. Take a look at this, guys. That's what we're talking about. Take a look at that. Last time we get a 50-day cycle breakout. Okay, I was like back in what, February 2017. Okay, beautiful breakout right here from 50% pullback, right? This breakout, we got it from 0.618, and we called it, guys. We told you, don't sell your BTC right here at 0.022. Okay, so I mean, don't sell your ethers. Alright, guys, I'm just gonna call it a day, right? We're gonna go for another live stream tomorrow. Hopefully market going to be interesting, right? I'm still bullish on the market. We talk about ADA, XLM, Polkadot, XRP, top alt to keep an eye on for the next like a few months. Now short-term target, guys, for some massive gains, especially XRP. Polkadot is already bang, okay, and all that good stuff. So stay tuned, hit the likes, let me know, okay, down in the comment section which alt, guys, not top alt, okay, low cap alt, you want me to do a macro analysis, okay. Let me know in the comment section after the end of the video, right? And I'm gonna take a look at that alt, and we're gonna basically decide if the bull market are gonna take us to those gonna wait to see if the bull market gonna take us to those macro analysis targets, right? All right, guys, stay tuned, hit the likes, and we're gonna talk tomorrow, okay?